Hey, welcome back, Bellaras. Are you tired of dealing with those stubborn dark patches around your mouth? Well, you're in for a treat today because I'm about to share a magical DIY mask that's not only super easy but works wonders. Best of all, it's natural, affordable, and made with things you already have in your kitchen. Before we dive in, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. You don't want to miss any of my skincare secrets. Now, let's get glowing. First, grab a clean bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of plain yogurt. Its natural lactic acid helps reduce pigmentation and evens out skin tone. Then, add 1 teaspoon of honey, which hydrates and brightens while fading dark spots. Plus, its antibacterial properties soothe irritated skin. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. It gently exfoliates, absorbs oil, and leaves your skin feeling fresh and smooth. Mix it all up until you get a smooth, creamy consistency. These ingredients will target hyperpigmentation and give your skin a natural glow. Trust me, you'll love the results. On a clean face, apply the mask generously around your mouth, focusing on those dark patches. Let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. And gently pat dry your skin. Don't forget to follow up with a lightweight moisturizer to lock in that hydration. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week and you'll start seeing visible results in no time. And there you have it, Bellaras. This mask is a game changer for brightening dark patches around the mouth. It's simple, natural, and oh so effective. If you give it a try, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Don't forget to like and share this remedy with your friends and hit that subscribe button for more amazing DIY skincare hacks. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay glowing. Bye.